Are you looking for high quality SVGs, sublimation designs, fonts, graphics, and more at an affordable price? If that is you, lend me your ears because I got some amazing news. So if you don't know, designbundles.net, one of my favorite sites of all time, they host a $1 event every single month. Typically, it's been the last Wednesday of every month, and you can get 30 products for just $1. And these products include bundles, fonts, sublimation graphics. They included watercolor things. There has been such an overwhelming amount of things included in these dollar events. It's incredible. And if you're not shopping this, you're seriously missing out. Now, the last few months, they've been doing some different things in there, testing different stuff, really to our benefit. So one of the first things that changed with the dollar events is before you had to purchase something in order to get access to their secret sale. Their secret sale mostly included 10 to 15 additional items, and they were all $1. But again, you had to purchase something first in order to even see what was on the other end of that. They've gotten rid of the secret sale, and all of the $1 items are now included in the regular event. Another change that they recently made was they began testing out different time frames. As you may or may not know, Design Bundles is a global marketplace. They want to cater to everybody. So for a while there, the $1 events were only available at noon for 1 hour, but it was noon Eastern time, which if you're on the other side of the globe, it's not always convenient. My friends in Australia and other countries kind of had an issue with it. They would either have to stay up really, really late or get up really, really early. And that's no fun. Design Bundles has recently started moving things around, and they're testing out different time frames. Last month, they had it at 5 o'clock no matter what time zone you're in. This month, they're testing out another theory. We have 2 Design Bundle $1 events this month. One of them being Saturday, this Saturday, and the other one being on Wednesday. So the first event on Saturday is at 6 a.m. Eastern time. Waking up at 6 o'clock is not something that I really wanted to do. However, I think I might make an exception for this dollar event. You can get a 3D sailboat, this awesome bee bundle. There's different floral cuts. There's sarcastic sticker bundles. So we have this floral beach bundle, which Wispy Willow, all of her designs are absolutely incredible. So you know that it's going to be a great product. There's a mega card bundle, and if you guys have been anywhere in the crafting world, you know that these card bundles are a hot ticket right now. Digital Gems actually included a blank card so you can make your own. Now, one thing to note about Design Bundles $1 events is they don't just put any products in there. These products have been tested and they have been purchased a lot, meaning these designs are super popular. So if you are into selling your physical products, picking up a few of these designs might lead to some serious sales in your physical shop. So Design Bundles Wednesday event is going to be held on June 29th at noon Eastern. Included in this event are totally different files. So technically speaking, this month you could get access to over 80 different products for $1 each. If that's not enough to get you out of bed to check out these designs, I don't know what will be. Included in Wednesday's lineup, we have a ton of fonts. We have a mega keychain bundle. It's 600 different files in this one bundle, and it's all $1. And we know how huge these keychains are. And what's really awesome about this particular bundle is it not only includes the box, but it also includes the different cards that you can insert the keychains onto for packaging. It's like an all-in-one bundle, which is really great, especially for $1. We have a massive mandala bundle, and those mandalas can be laid over different silhouettes to create your own custom design. It's really easy to do inside of Cricut Design Space. I'm telling you guys, this is one thing that you might want to pick up. Now, to make the most out of this dollar event, outside of getting your shopping list together so you can get in and get out, you might want to consider preloading your Design Bundles account. They do offer a little bit of a discount when you're going with a store credit purchase instead of just using your credit card or your PayPal or anything like that. Another thing that is beneficial if you're shopping the $1 events is if you are a Design Bundles Plus member. Now, you don't have to be a Plus member in order to shop this event, but they do offer you an additional discount. Now, it's not an insane amount, but things do add up, especially with the way the gas prices are right now. Every penny counts. So what do you guys think? Are you going to be shopping the $1 event this month? Which one are you more leaning towards? Saturday's event or Wednesday's event? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, guys.